More sand. Second for this one. Not even the slightest bog up that thing. I just love them. Just love hearing the exhaust, man. Something about it says I'm using the bike. You know, I'm giving it. Woo! Yes, sir. Front braking in the sand, probably not a good idea, Shelby. Third, didn't skip a beat either. Glasses and goggles, I'm telling you, annoying as fuck. All the way annoying. I gotta stop yelling. I just watched a little preview, seeing how the mic sounded. I'm screaming at y'all, but I'm sorry. Oh, come on, lenses. What do you guys that wear glasses do with your goggles if you're watching and you ride with glasses on a helmet? Or you guys usually not with a buddy and just don't have to worry about needing goggles? Yes, sirree. Camel pack's closed and I'm open for business. I'll follow you, brother. Getting that good footy. Yeah, I was telling him earlier, actually, there's two reasons why I like him going first. One, the obvious, he's better, and I don't want to be the one slowing him down or even feeling pressure to go faster because I feel like I'm slowing people up. And then two, okay, I wasn't sitting straight on the bike. I'm like, why does this shit feel funny? And then two, I can usually get footage of him if I can catch back up. Earlier we went this way, so I figured he probably went this way. I'll just meet him there. I do want a bigger shift and brake lever now that I'm thinking about it. X-Pro's got some baby levers. Not clutching front brake, but yeah, I know what I mean. Goddamn. Shit. Am I on first? I am. I'm being fatigued with the clutch. Can I get even lower? How? Oh, right here. Whew. Yes, sir. That was great, dude. Yeah. All right, to the parking lot? Yeah. All right. Fuck you, sand! Oh man. Woohoo! That big awesome off. Okay, let's see if we can, what's going on. You okay? Okay, he said I'm good. I hear her. Let's go! Good shit! Look at that thing. I'm good. what gear I'm in. Oh yeah, I see the trail too. Woo! Hey, we're at the end. Back for food, baby. Water break? Yeah. I'm for it. Whew. I am finishing up my ride day with the homie. Looking for a spot to show you guys the bike. I'm gonna give you guys a quick little sneak peek of an overall of what's to come. Give you an update on where it's at now, but a very brief one because I'm gonna have a mods and updates video coming soon. But I want to go over while I'm riding before I get off one pro and one con that I have with the X Pro, and that's gonna lead into my pros and cons video. So the biggest pro about this thing, dude, is it's the price. How can it not be? Like right now, I got mine end of 2021 for about $1,800, all said and done, delivered to my door, everything pre-assembled, and I paid for the shipping and handling. The 2023 one right now, which basically has the X Pro Templar frame, exhaust, it has a 10 more cc's than this, beefier frame, all that good stuff, skid plate, for $1,200 right now at Powersports Max, man. And fucking hey, especially if you put it together yourself, you can't beat that, dude. Just can't beat it. So my biggest thing is the price. The reason why I went for something cheap is because, what am I doing? I'm just talking. The reason why I went for something cheap is because I've always wanted a dirt bike or a motorcycle. I never got one growing up. And as an adult now, I've been working, saving up, stacking cheese. You know what I'm saying? Definitely had some money to spend. But I didn't want to spend like $4 to $5K on something I didn't know if I would like it or not. So I looked for cheap alternatives. Got on Google one day and looked for cheap dirt bikes, and the rest is history, dude. So my biggest pro is the price. My biggest con out the box is if I had to pick between the carburetor or the suspension, I'd have to pick the carburetor just because the bike won't run right. Which I'll leave to say the suspension for the next video, pros and cons video. But the carburetor, man, I had to buy a carburetor. I got a Mikuni. People have found success with the Nibby carbs. But oh man, let's just go to the end. I wanted to open this thing up real quick. I don't get to get in 5th wide often on the X Pro, so this is fun. What was I saying though? The car, man, is the worst. So that's my biggest thing. If you buy the bike, you know you're gonna have to do some finessing to get the carb to work, or invest in another carb. So I'm in 5th right now, and she'll just pull the whole way. She's still pulling. Man. But yeah, let me let's get to a parking lot and show you where we are at with the X Pro. Hopefully the sand's not too deep. So yes, everybody, finally I get to show you. Oh, that is deep. Let's get her up on this grass. How far we've come. So like I said, man, it's outro for the ride, but what's next? Mods and update video for 1.5 years. And pros and cons video, and then a Q&A for whatever you guys have. So I'm not going to make the pre-Q&A video. I'm going to leave it here. Whatever you guys want to ask, drop it, dude. Drop it so I can try to get at least like, a good 5 to 10 minute vid of answering your X-Pro questions individually. But let's get into the bike. So what's not to stock? The handlebars are the most recent upgrade. These are the Pro Taper Trail Edition 7/8 inch handlebars, and I like them a lot. They're a little bit wider but shorter. The suspension has been tweaked. The rear suspension we tightened up a crap ton because it sucks. It's one of the biggest gripes about the X-Pro I was talking about earlier. And then the front suspension we put 30 weight fork oil, and I'm a bigger dude. I'm like 260 even plus right now. So she's riding so much better. I can't wait to take her to the track. And my goal is to maybe get her to be a track-worthy Chinese 230. I think that'd be sweet. Let me get this up out of the... Yeah. Okay. The carburetor is the biggest thing, of course, performance-wise. That was my biggest con about the bike. The damn carburetor. Right now, there's a Mikuni in there. And after some trial and error, I found one that worked. Not completely jetted yet, but probably have a more difficult jetting story than most because I'm in Colorado and we're in so many thousands of feet in difference when I'm riding. But this is her, man. I cannot wait to just continue to upgrade and play with her. But she has been definitely worth all she has been, and I'm loving it. So if you guys have any questions you want to see answered, like I said, drop them in the comments. And how'd you like this riding video? I'm happy as fuck. I feel like I'm improving a lot myself, so definitely stoked from how the ride went today. You guys let me know what you think, and if you have any tips for, like I said, for anywhere you saw today, let me know. But until next time, I'm peacing out, and you guys have fun and ride safe. Peace. Let's do another one. That was a good first to fifth, fourth, third, second, first. All right. Let's do that one more time, dude. That was epic. We're right here by the front, so this is all I got. Yes, sir.